Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another live stream. The market is off. Real quick, we had news today. We had GDP, advanced GDP quarter to quarter, better than expected. A lot better than expected and the market is gapping up from yesterday. I have James and Ale in the other side of the line. So welcome, guys. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning. Holy moly.
Yeah. All right, good. I was just checking on the latency. Perfect. All right. For me, I do have these areas of support. The 4911, which is very aggressive. 4904 yesterday's and 4895. That's a pre-market. Okay. Um, on the supply side, I have 4920. The COT, this is the entire COT for yesterday. So all this is a very important conflicting area of supply that was created yesterday. I want to be careful on the long side if we don't break this. Okay, I want to see I want to see internals extremely aggressive if I want along um, close to these areas, and I think actually the '04 or 97, the news demand are the best options that we will have today. All right, so let's go to the internals. Oh, you want me to share my screen?
Yeah, please. Please, please, please.
So I'm not cutting off today, right? Do you
No,
hear me
it
well?
was definitely the antenna.
Nice. All right, you got me. Big chart, bounce decline. Now we have to understand that the advanced decline today is going to be very bullish for now. The RTY is gapping up 1.30 for 1.40%. That's going to show up here. On the ES, we're gapping up like 0.30%, 0.38%. Our short-term, intermediate, and long-term time frame bias is bullish. I'm gonna set up my account here, main account. I haven't been trading all the accounts. I already moved into my new place, but I ordered an Ethernet cable. I haven't gotten it yet, so probably I will get it today, and I'll set up everything for it tomorrow or Monday. I don't have rush.
Short here on the NAS, looking for 670. Closing there. Gonna reassess.
Oh, what you say? You closed it?
Yeah.
Oh. So the Dow is pushing. The Russell is basically flat, and the ES is trying to break to the upside.
Back in short here. like we're gonna squeeze up. Bulls still trying.
Yeah, I have the supply so close that I'd rather just waiting for the internals to give me some sort of signal so I can short this thing.
What's your supply?
49.19 3/4. I have it. You have it in the screen, and then I have the COT at 49.21. Yesterday's COT.
Should be coming down here. I mean, it looks like the flagging here, bear flagging. Back in short. Here we go. Putting a few ads in here. Really need to get through 85. We can get through 85 and we should be getting that move down to 70. Flush, baby. Where you at, Elsa?
All right. If we break this pivot low, we'll play the song. We will play the song.
No song, dude. You gonna get a copyright strike.
Oh yeah, that's fine. We'll deal with it. Come on, T. Come down. Come on.
Going down, little kitty cat.
Bro, honestly, I don't have any sell power. Do you see any sellers? Not not in the
The footprint?
footprint. Yeah, I don't see anything like.
Only of the open, but
Yeah.
they got bought up.
Working on that 85, man. Just need to close through 85.
You're gonna add on there or what?
So far, I got absorption here. If we get through like 712 to the upside, we might get that squeeze, but I think they're just trying to fake people out right here. So far, we got a hammer turning into maybe a little bit more on the 5-minute chart close. Got about 30 seconds left on that. We'll have to see.
Ooh. Look at the Russell. Hmm. I don't know. I feel that we can close the gap. Look at the Russell, Ale. Hmm. I'm starting to think this
Short here, the Nas
1750.
again. Gonna give it another shot. Looks like it's trying to come through this little trend line. out there. Hold 690. What is 690?
Bro, I'm starting to think that this 1750 is a good short. ¿Oíste, Ale? The only thing is that the tick chart hasn't broken.
Quiero esperar, marico, porque están quemando a este y
Yeah,
quiero esperar un
yeah.
poquito más.
Come on. But RTY is looking good. Look, RTY is trying to break
Yeah,
out.
100%.
Hmm?
100%. And the Nasdaq is
too.
losing
Yeah.
momentum.
Yeah.
Y se entra en 18 y arriesgar el pivote.
Yeah.
Esos dos pivotes.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that.
Okay, I think I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna reduce my risk, so I'm just gonna go in with one contract. I don't really like the location. I think it's too late.
We have new home sales, right? At 10?
Yeah, 10. ¿Viste el recap de hoy o no lo viste?
No vi el recap, estaba viendo el...
En mi carro,
Mm.
Short here again, looking for 60, 65.
Yeah, I mean, everything is looking good now. The only thing is the tick chart, but yeah, we probably won't have it until we come down. Bro, location is so fucking important. Just the location is an edge of itself. Yeah. Forget about this trade. It was like I was looking 17 here, but yeah, I am late to the party, so yeah, 17 was a good
when I started liking it, I was already too late. Pero que te lo estaban quemando cada ratito, marico, entonces.
yeah, but oh shit. Looking RTY, bro. RTY is Elsa.
Ya, no, hasta cuando vaya, hasta donde vaya la última vez, bro.
So RTY is giving up 0.5%. Wow, that's good. So there is the most aggressive area of support. I'm not planning to take this one, 49.11. I think we have room till 49.05 at least.
I say got close. 98.
What?
I say got close. Yesterday's got
So how do you like 14 now? As,
close. Bro, internals are not bad. The only thing is the ADD, but we don't like the ADD is not really as important as the other internals, or it
so
is still like,
here's the deal is
but I don't know.
if I short at 14, my stop here at 21. Yeah, no, my target has to be way below 4904. It's 4901. That's what makes me a little bit skeptical.
How much would you risk?
14, yeah, no, 7 points. I need to risk the pivot.
You would need to make 14 points in order to get to the one.
Bro. What's your attitude, bro? Energize yourself, bro. Get a Red Bull or something. People are watching.
Okay, so you need 14 points to get it to the one, and we're already
Yeah, no,
extended
it's
on the move. We're
yeah,
already extended on the move.
it's too much. It's too much. Yeah.
So you would need the market to have moved. Already down what 10 points?
We're approaching oversold here, and I'm still getting absorption. I'm gonna go ahead and take a long, see if we can't get back up to 700 here. Like I think we want to get down to the VWAP, but this is not looking promising to the downside at all. I don't know.
But the Dow is just fucking bleeding. The thing is the Nasdaq. Damn.
Russell is bleeding too.
The Russell, my bad, Russell.
Okay.
The Russell, yeah, Russell is fucking bleeding. The thing is the Nasdaq.
Nasdaq is holding a little bit, but I like 1450. What do I have here? 14.
James, if you would have traded the Russell today, you would have a party, bro. It's just straight up bleeding, bro.
Yeah.
The NQ is fucking just holding. Too bullish, bro.
I think I'm gonna take 14. Oíste, Ale? And I'm gonna risk a little bit, not too much. Like here. In 25, I need to get 2 to 1. Ah, shit. 2 to 1. Well, 1.9. I'm gonna go for 9.1. 1.9, sorry. And then here, 3.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this.
Marico, mira el tico.
Sí, ¿verdad? It's holding at 0, right?
That point, no, I don't want to hear later if it goes down that you didn't take it because of me. I'm just saying that I think.
So how are we having what do we have on the footprint? Yeah, no, it's holding. Let's see, we might have. Yeah, no, we're creating some sort of support here at 13. Let's see if we can break to the downside. If not, I'll just bail it out for a little bit of.
Do you have anything around this area like?
I mean, we just created the range and the retest.
This was a demand yesterday. This is where we bounced up yesterday. Remember our trade? This is where the area that had a fine.
Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah.
Entraste.
Yeah, but I'm underwater. Yeah, I think it was a mistake just taking this shit, bro. Yeah, 17 again, but I don't think 17 is gonna do much. Yeah, right now we have.
Marico, one word, bro.
Oh,
Take chart.
yeah.
One word, bro. Take one, 2 words. Take chart.
Yeah. And you know what? I saw the 15 minutes and I didn't care, honestly. I was just like, I want to take it. And right now it looks very bad, honestly. It doesn't look good. Now you have trapped sellers here at 15. That's no bueno.
Short here for a move down through the VWAP. See if we can't get through RTH low. Really got to get through 65 here. That's going to be the like between 60 and 65. I got a zone marked out. It's going to be a little difficult. I think we're going to try and close the overnight gap.
I think I'm gonna bail my trade, honestly. I don't like the short at all. Yeah, now all of them are bouncing. Like, look at the Dow. Dow broke to the upside, bro. The only one is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is good. Yeah, no, forget it. I'm gonna be stepped out in this trade. That's a crappy trade, bro. Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm out of it. Yeah, thick chart, bro. Thick chart was. Yeah, we anticipated too much, bro. We were trying to guess. We were not working with the chart.
not working with location, bro.
Yeah, but
And
location.
the
Yeah, no,
the
location
take
is.
chart too.
Yeah.
Like that was an aggressive entry, so for that you
Yeah,
would need like cooperation with the internals at least,
yeah.
especially the take chart.
Hmm.
Woo! Where you at, Elsa? Come on.
Yeah, Nasdaq is in good shape for the drop, but not the ES. Hmm.
Beautiful. Taking a piece off here.
Let's see the 24-hour VWAP. Okay, bro, I would like to short, but the internals are too fucking bullish.
Whoa. We're trying to cut straight through the VWAP. Wasn't expecting all that. No
I mean,
bounce.
the Russell and the Nasdaq are inversely correlated today, bro. One's going down, the other one's going up. The other one's going up, the other one goes down.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I would really like a short of 18, but look at Tech. Look at the fucking Tech.
Yeah, it's too high. No, it doesn't look good for the drop, honestly. I took the short, but right now it flipped. Like when I entered my trade, everything changed. Like we had that bullish bar here at 950, and I think we have
News.
yeah, new home sales.
Yeah, 10 o'clock. Probably gonna get a
Mhm.
little volatility on that 10 a.m.
Mhm.
candle here.
Mhm. But you wanna see something, Ale? Look at the screen, bro. Look where they stopped me out. I need to work on my stop. I need to risk the pivot, or at least 1 point beyond the pivot. Yeah, see that?
I'm liking the long.
Yeah, me too. Oh, where at? The first level of support,
11,
bro, is, bro.
12.
Can you figure how aggressive this market is? The first level of support here at 11, bro, is working. Hmm? How come?
That's why.
Hmm?
That's why. Yeah, that's why. That's why.
Damn it. Yeah, I figure
The only
13 is 13 is not bad.
The Elsa game plan is in effect. Just
Think so?
FYI.
So you like the long better, the short better?
100%. Right now, like we're holding that 60 to 65 on the NAS, but as soon as this thing eats through that, like Elsa domain, at least down to about 600. It's got room down to about 600. And I mean, we do have 630 in between that for the gap close, but I think she wants to get down to 600. And you want to talk about naked POCs, like, brother, we got like 5 of them open. Short here the NAS for the bear flag break. See if we get through it. Should come through 65 here. Come on, VWAP. Give it to me. Just trying to bounce off it again.
B was strong.
Eating through it, chewing through it, chewing through it. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
There you go. I like this support here, bro. See if 13 is good. If 13 works. Yeah, it's not. Some buyers there, but 18, 13, 20, 13.
Beer really. Ugh, use a restroom.
Hmm.
Currently working on this downtrend line here, around the 780 level. If we get a close over 780, this downtrend might come to an end on the Nas. Currently rejecting it, so we'll see. Yep, little squeeze through here. See if we can't turn 700 into support and get a little long out of here.
My God, Elsa, fuck me. Holy fuck, bro. Yeah, that's just too bullish, bro.
Yeah.
Fuck this short.
Yeah. Do we get more aggressive on 1750?
Huh?
1750 to the long side? Too
I
aggressive?
don't have a location there.
It's just a lower high on the Nasdaq, so I don't know what the ES is doing, but it's not
Higher
looking
high.
like. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, the entry was at 1250, but I like more 1150, honestly. I like more 1150 for a
Yeah.
long, but the entry was 1250.
Wow, that's a lot of selling, bro.
One of them is lying. I don't know which one it is.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, we do
so
have
hard.
a
Let me see the ADD.
we do have a divergence. We do have a divergence. Very nice. Very nice one. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna take a stab at the short.
Yeah, me too.
2050, my entry. I'm gonna take a stab at the short.
25th. I'm gonna go 20. A minute.
I'm gonna take a stab at the short. Come on, man.
Bro, a lot of buying, ¿viste? Dale.
What? What?
A
No
lot of
fill?
no fill.
No fill. My bad. Whatever. No fit, bro. Amazing.
Hmm.
Feel me, motherfuckers. I'm in it. My sub is up 25.
Where at?
25.
Yeah, mine is 24.50.
Yeah, they want to have the same sub.
Yeah, they are. I don't know, bro. We need to break
We need to
this
break below 18.
1850
Yeah.
at least.
18. Yalla. Let's see. The Nasdaq still has a little room to the upside. The Russell, let's see. Let's go. Yo, call Elsa. Please, James, call Elsa.
I
Oh,
hope she's
else?
on the way, man.
It's getting bought
Ew.
up by 18.
Yeah.
That reindeer is still in the corner eating apples. She's a little late.
Yeah, bro. She doesn't want to come out today. She doesn't want to build a snowman today.
I might close this, bro. I don't know. That 18 is pushing a lot of buying pressure.
That 18 is, yeah,
Hmm.
very strong.
Hmm. We did have a nice divergence on the advance.
We still have it, right?
Yeah. Still, it's even better now. But the thing is that we're gonna be underwater.
$18, bro. So the line right there, 18.
One more.
Let's give it another try to 18. Come on,
No.
or not?
No.
Let's give it another go. Boom. Another go at 18.
It's building support there now.
Come on. You know, truth. It's now or never. Honestly, if we don't break, if we don't start like pushing more pressure there, then I don't think there's gonna. I think it's gonna pop up.
Yeah, it's building support right now around 1850.
Porque Elsa no quiere jugar. Yeah, this thing is fun. Fucking pop.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna take it at break even. If we go back down, I think I'll. And if we don't
If
break
we
18,
break 21, this thing is gonna pop.
yeah.
1875 is the sensitive point, and 2075 is the sensitive point to the upside. There it goes.
Yeah, that's not good.
Please.
I have a question for you. Are you long or are you short?
I'm short. I'm short.
So
But I'm looking at the chart. I'm looking at the chart. I'm saying what's happening.
we're not trading. We're not like reading the chart correctly, bro. Obviously, today. We're just trying to short this shit when it's going up.
Bro, but I'm not gonna take a long here, and I don't know.
Yeah, so
We're
that's
playing where we.
what?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Yeah.
Nasdaq's pushing back into this 15-minute high. I want to see what happens here, like between this 20-25 area. If we get a stiff rejection off of 25, might be looking to get short here.
No, I don't sure it's the play today, bro. Honestly, I've taken 2 -2 now. Yeah. Terrible day. Terrible day yesterday. Terrible day today. Not good. I think
Yeah,
we
bro. That
missed.
squeeze at
We
the
missed.
20.
We missed 1750, bro. This was the entry. 1750.
1750.
Yeah, we wanted too long. We wanted to short when this thing is going up, honestly. And that's not the right answer. Like we had the break and the retest of the 1750. Yeah, that was a trade. I completely misread the market. All right, now I'm -2. I'm done for the day.
Looking for a 5-minute close under 2250 here.
That special someone. Nasdaq is fucking flying, bro. My goodness.
Hmm.
30 seconds. It's looking good.
You have NatGat storage in 4 minutes. Hmm.
Short here, the Nas.
Ale, you're still in it or ya está afuera?
No, 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 me quemaron. Me
Yeah.
quemaron. Tenemos la misma stop.
She's playing games, man.
Bro, forget about the short.
Yeah, no
I
short.
think we've all got fucked by the shorts today.
Yeah, no short. Yeah, I think it
We
was
all
a
got
rookie.
fucked by the short today.
It was a rookie mistake. But I honestly thought that we at least could have closed the gap. Close the gap and then go up.
Like you
Especially
say,
after
forget
the
the
new.
short, but what have we done? We haven't done anything to the upside.
No,
Like from
yeah,
the
go.
open, we're up like 2 points. Like, so what
Uh,
has it done?
well, yes, but are you gonna what are you gonna do? You're gonna
I'm gonna
buy.
hold my short and let it hit the
Uh,
target because right here we got resistance up here at 730. Like it's
I
not
don't know.
getting through there. We got like 9 wicks off of it. So I'm gonna let the trade play out.
I don't agree. Like if I have a stop loss, bro, I execute a period. I move on. Um, we do have like a very
Divergence.
nasty divergence. Yeah,
On what, the ES?
yeah,
Yeah.
and the advanced client. So We're setting up for a drop, but we're at probably 27, 49.27. Yesterday's high.
The ES is doing the exact opposite of the Nasdaq. The ES has 49.10 to 49.20, and it's just now breaking out of that range to the upside. The
Yeah.
Nasdaq, on the other hand, had a pullback. It's trying to push back up to the high, but it's getting exhausted up here, and it's about to pull back. So, like, I mean, ES technically a case could be made anywhere above 49.20. Like, that's a solid long area. But I don't know what your target would be. I guess yesterday's numbers, something like that. But
Bro, I don't know if I should take another stab at the short.
But where at? Ale.
That's a thing. That's a thing. That's a thing. That's a thing. Am I getting fooled by a drop that may never happen, or
Yeah, I
what do
think
you?
so.
Am I getting fooled? Am I letting my head get to me?
Probably, yeah.
Am I waiting
Like
for a drop?
I liked look. My first support was 11 worked. My second was 13 worked. My third was 17 worked. Like none of my supplies had worked. Yeah, until something meaningful changes, I don't think I'm gonna short this. I'm okay with -2. -2 is recoverable. -7
There's not,
is gonna take a little bit more.
and it's more
And
likely
it's gonna take a toll on my head too.
that
we also have another bond auction at 1 o'clock. That's probably where the real volume's going to be sitting at on the day.
I'm gonna take a sim. Where do you want to take the where do you want to take the thing?
26. Yeah, bro. Bro, look at that take, bro. It's not very smart. I literally said it yesterday. The only way I take a short is that we break structure. You catch me taking a short today.
Yeah, I think I might take the short. I might take
From
the
Sim?
short. Yeah,
From Sim?
same. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade anymore.
I have a order at 23. Let's see.
Taking that ad here short, hold below 26. Oh yeah,
That's a moment
don't
of
stop
truth.
there.
That's a moment of truth right there.
Gorgeous.
So 1925. All right, so I scaled that already. There goes your short. 26. Is
Money,
within
money,
yes.
money, 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 money.
$18, bro.
Yeah, fuck
18.
18 fucking sold.
18.
Yeah, now the market is exhausted to the downside. It gets
Nah, shit.
exhausted. What?
I
It
don't
gets
think so. I think we have
bro,
more room. I think
bro.
we're gonna have a little retracement right now.
It gets exhausted
That's
so easily.
I had an order at 25.5. I was 2 ticks away from the entry. And then I had an
Same.
order at 20. No, actual trade. And then PA. And then I had an order at 23.5, but then get filled because of 1 tick. Honestly, I was scared. That's why I was taking those cheap entries. So I don't feel as bad. But what could have been a better entry for us, honestly? Like 24?
I don't know, like we can review the chart later, but
I mean, my trade was based up high day, basically. But we had yesterday's, we have a pivot at 27.
so here's the deal. So since we didn't have the tick chart on our side, right? We cannot assume that the high or the low day is in, bro. I think. Wow.
Yeah,
All
that was
right.
the
Now
trade.
that I took a sim trade, it fucking blows my PNL. Nice.
Yeah, that was the trade.
That was a freaking trade. That was a freaking trade.
Also, I came a little bit late today. No, honestly, I think we can see more downside.
Think so?
Yeah.
Bro, es que
That proof.
el divergence del advance decline was there, bro. Divergence, the advance decline was there.
So my entry was at what? 20, 25, 25, 20.5. $20.5. So I had to risk what? 7 points? I had to risk 6 points, 6.5, in order not to get stopped out. Yeah.
Hmm.
Let's see. I'm gonna take a stab at 21.
Short here, the Nas looking for 70. Ooh. Like it's trying to turn 700 into support again.
Yeah, the 16 on the ES is holding there. Three minutes for these next 15 and 5.
Starting to like the long here. Just clubbing right now. Clubbing to the upside. Got to get through 2250 here. 2250 might squeeze back to
Tesla
high.
dropped 10% overnight.
Yeah, it had earnings, man. They were pretty dog water.
Pretty dog shit.
Yeah.
Dice que no están buscando, pero que no chichado conmigo.
Yeah, I don't think the short is gonna work anymore. That was it. That was it.
15-minute candle looks ridiculous. Like absolutely
Yeah.
bonkers.
Yeah.
It's crazy how any demand works
Yeah.
during this bullish
Mm-hmm.
period. So the same thing that happened yesterday happened today. We're too early on the entry.
You think so?
I think so. I mean, we had the right idea.
I don't know. The short hasn't worked yet. It's partially working.
I mean, but the one we wanted, the idea we were looking for, it worked. You know, like that's what we were looking for. We're not gonna obviously if it went down 30 points, we're obviously not gonna catch 30 points. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like we can just like we cannot just want to guess where the overall market is going. We just want to be right when we're in our trade. You know,
Yeah.
if we get our whatever our target, let's say 12, 11 points, and then the market completely reverses, like I wouldn't feel bad about myself. You know what I mean? Because that's what I'm trading. I just want to be right when I'm trading. I don't want to be right like overall. I don't know if you know what I mean.
Yeah. The chart looks very positive. I think the long is not bad. Hmm? What do you say?
In hindsight, this day looks like dog shit, bro. Like this, we haven't really moved anywhere, at least on the Nasdaq. I don't know what the ES is doing, but like we're chopping, man. We're volatile chop is today.
Hmm.
You're in the same short.
Yeah. See if we can break this low of day. It's hard, but just playing with the chart, bro. Just having a feeling of what the market is doing.
And putting in the trades. That's how we learn. If you don't put in the trades, you don't learn.
Yeah.
Even if it's the same.
I do like the short here on the Nas. I mean, we do have that lower high structure here. Needs to get through what, like 708 or so. 708, 710. That downside.
I don't know,
We need
bro.
to
I
get
think
rid of this demand, bro. And the only way I see
yeah,
like us going lower is getting rid of this demand right here.
yeah, and it hasn't happened yet. We don't have the momentum on the tick. Advanced decline, Yeah, we need to break all this shit, bro. All this shit. What do you say, bro? Momentum? Or no?
Yes, sir. Nice. Downside move. Holy shit.
So the short was at the 18, the one we were complaining about. It was at that 18 or 19. Need to break this 1075. I do think that it could keep going down.
Think so?
Yeah, I think so.
Eh,
Exhausted?
yeah. Yes, sir.
Body seeing it. Look. Get. I don't give a fuck.
Oh shit, yeah.
What?
No, this thing. Yeah, I think that's it. That was it. That was a move. Tick chart hasn't. Tick chart is doing a higher low. Advanced decline. Eh. There you go. Let's see. Yeah, buyers are showing up, bro. Buyers are strong. Hmm. Oh my god, so many trades on sim, bro.
Hmm. You're
Testing my
long?
no, short. Testing my scalping. How do you call my scalping?
Skills?
Skills. Testing my scalping skills. I think we could break this low day. Very unlikely,
I
right?
think so. I think so. Look, we're
Yeah.
starting to
Oh
lose
well.
momentum on the tick.
Yeah, tick chart is gaining momentum to the downside. Yeah. Starting to pick up momentum, but not very much. Hmm. Yeah, no breaking.
I think gap close could happen.
Yeah,
Honestly,
I don't see I don't see it unlikely. I was counting that we were going to close the gap, but
we were too early to the party. We went in too early to the party.
yeah, this shit is not breaking, bro. Probably one more leg up and then flush. Could be.
Mira con la nalga para y la mano cruzada que parezca una retro.
Are you in it, James?
I took a little scalp from like the 713 level on the NAS down to like 695, but right now I'm seeing that we're kind of consolidating in the opening range. Like the first 15 minutes of the day, we had that like super wiki consolidation between like 935 and 950. Trying to see if we can't get below like 75 or so. I want to turn 75 into resistance before I take another short because right now there's
No,
just
I think
too many orders in here.
it's over. Like that, I don't think we're gonna even flush this. Like 11 is holding too good. It might have some upside.
Could be. Could just do nothing. Like I don't know, man. Like today's been very difficult to trade. It's like super choppy, high volatility for whatever reason. And we've done nothing but go up and down between yesterday's range. Like yesterday's value area, we've just been stuck here.
Could this be the end? Yeah, bro. Like we drop and tick chart did not pick up the. What do you say, Ale?
Mm.
Let's try another short here. Let's see if we can flush this. Fifteen seconds for the next 5.
You say the NQ's moved a lot, but if you look at the open and you look at where we're at right now, like that's
The same.
what 15 points. I don't know. It's moved, but it's been volatile chop. So it's like it's not ideal trading conditions, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Here goes.
No, 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 no.
No.
Well,
Oh, Elsa.
tickets at 0. I think we have limited downside though. Advanced decline is trying to come down.
Name's called Elsa.
I think she's already here.
Oh,
Get this flush
fuck,
through
bro.
690. NQ might start to do something here.
Bro, how do we go in so early in this short, bro? Alejandro.
There we go. We're breaking 690 here.
Come
See if we get a
on.
flush.
Come on, flush. Come
Here
on.
goes.
Are you serious? Yeah, tick is not in good shape, bro.
I mean, look at the VIX and the dollar. Like, and the market is still trying to hold. Like, I feel like it's inevitable. Like, it's just,
Yeah, bro.
it's right around
In
the
it,
corner.
what? The drop?
The drop.
Yeah, I think so, bro.
I don't know.
This thing
Unless
looks like
both
it
the
wants
VIX
to
and
drop.
the dollar are lying. I mean, advanced decline, all three of them lying. All internals are saying short.
Yeah, I think so. I think James will get something.
Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it.
Bro, just wait for that tick to print a negative 600 and this thing is gonna fucking bye bye.
MB, where were you, man? I'm gonna go get water. I think I'm good at scalping. I made $953. Ale. Yo.
Yo,
Scalping?
no, I don't. I mean, what we do is basically scalping. Just 10 points is scalping. You don't think so?
Um,
Huh?
I don't know. I don't think so.
What do you think scalping? Like 3 points, 4 points?
Mm-hmm.
Y otro mosco Mew que ando en otra nota.
If we come back down to the VWAP and bounce again, I think I'm gonna call it. Like this is just
Maybe
garbage.
a short.
No, um, no,
That V
I'm
was
just
gonna be your worst enemy.
chilling right now.
Como
Bro,
que no vamos a romper.
I have a question. James, I have a question for you.
What's up?
And this is not taking on you, right? But I have a question. Don't you feel that you're a little bit too um soon taking trades in the morning? Like you get the entire volatility, bro. It's how much you risk per trade.
So I risk 5 points per contract on the NAS. So if I'm
Wow.
wrong, I'm able to recuperate very easily. So like the short off the open or the long off the open, I feel comfortable taking. Because if I'm wrong, then I'm down like I mean essentially it's 1 R, but realistically it's like a third of an R for me. Because like I used 60 range candles, right? So essentially that's a 15-point candle.
Mm-hmm.
So I have multiple opportunities within that candle to figure out, or at least try to figure out, if the direction that I'm going is right or wrong. If it's wrong, then I can easily reverse and flip the other direction. And if I'm wrong twice, then I'll wait for that candle to close and then reevaluate and still technically be down like 75% of an R. Um,
Mm-hmm.
Technically, like I said, it's down 2R, but like realistically, I'm counting it as uh, like 2/3 of an R because the stop is so small. So, and I did that on purpose to allow myself, because I know I know how I am, right? If I'm wrong, then I'll try to reverse, and uh, over time, I figured that out. I put that into my strategy on purpose, so it allows me room to be wrong. Like if I'm wrong multiple times, I can easily dig myself out of the hole.
Okay. And how many contracts do you do?
Typically two. Like I'll start off with two, and if my first trade is a full winner, then I'll scale up. Like I'll go to 4 contracts on the second trade. That way, if I get a full loss off of that second trade, then I'm able to still walk away green if I don't like the day anymore. And if I get a full win on the second trade, typically I'm done because I'm already up 6R. But I mean, like I said, usually that's like 2R uh, on a real R scale for me, because I don't um like I said, I don't consider the 5 points a full R. Like I'm
Oh.
typically risking 15 points for an R.
Mm, okay. 15 points of an R. So that oh okay, gotcha. And when you go for what's your target compared to that,
Um,
let's say 1/3 of an R?
It depends. Like if we're in a super bullish or a super bearish day, meaning we're outside of yesterday's trading range, like outside of yesterday's value area, then I'll be looking for a full 15, 20, sometimes even 30 points because I'm expecting a trend day. But on a day like today, I'm looking for 10 to 15 points because I'm
Okay.
expecting much less due to the fact that we're probably, I mean, like now it's not guaranteed, but we're probably gonna range. And that's what happened. And then
Okay.
sometimes I'll even scale down to micros because, like the other day, like Tuesday this week, was
Mm-hmm.
absolutely terrible in the pre-market, and I was like, "There's no way I'm trading full size today," because it's like, in my opinion, it looked like garbage, and it ended up being garbage. So that's another way that I reduce my risk. Like if I'm full risk, then I'll go up to, like I said, 4 or 5 NQ contracts and be completely comfortable with it. But on a day like today, usually 2 max NQ contracts, like max.
Gotcha. So you are a scalper at the end.
Oh, 100%. Like I'm not. There's no, okay. So say from the opening candle, right? Like I shorted that, but I shorted it at 704, and I was out at like 87. Is what my little marker is telling me. So I mean, I'm not. So even though I could have held, like I could have held through the wick back up, but
Mm-hmm.
what's the point? Like on that wick back up, I'm looking for another entry. Like I'm looking
Mm-hmm.
for it to come back into an area of, from pre-market. You have the 905 candles, right? I'm
Mm-hmm.
looking for those to act as resistance, which, I mean, you got slippage, like you got, what is that, 704 up to 715. So you had about 10 points where that wick was deliberately trying to take people stops. Like say people stops, if they were short, people stops probably would have been around, the recent swing low. So 704, 705 maybe. That wick, it like deliberately went all the way up to 715 to stop anybody out who was even from the 855 pivot high. So if you were short anywhere after 855, um, I mean, you probably got stopped out there.
Mm. Hmm. Well, I think we did have the right idea, but not the right execution. I mean, at least for me, the trade that I took, I was expecting a gap close early, and we might not have the gap close early. Now, if you see this is a 15-minute, right? This is my 15 minutes. Yesterday's COT row is this one from here to here. So if I structure the if I structure the trade, oh shit.
I don't know, man. Like
Here.
I don't think either one of us was wrong. It's just like look at the ES, man, and look at the NQ. Like yeah, the NQ had like a couple legs, right? Like 2 or 3 good legs. But look at the ES, man. Like that's, so you had straight down off the open, straight back up, straight back down, um, and then like
Uh,
a chop. You had a nice little run up,
I
straight
mean
back
no,
down.
but what I'm trying to tell you is that look, this is my COT, right? If I structure the trade like
Mhm.
this, let's say I structure it like this, my stop beyond the zone, and here's the deal: my target has to be let's say let's put multiple contracts. Let's put here. Um, say my stop is here. My target for the 2 to 1 has to be on this high, right?
Mhm.
And then my ultimate target will be the gap close. Now let's go with this one. I will get the 2 to 1. All right. So my entry, look at this shit. My entry would have been 25.50. You see that? If
Yep.
this is the high 33.25, my stop 2 ticks above is fine. But look, still for a 2 to 1, sorry, for a 2 to 1 has to be here. Yeah. So still, we haven't even gotten to this place. You see that? Whereas,
That's my point, man. Like,
yeah,
that's
so
what
that's
George
the
has
thing.
been saying lately is like, do you have the ability to get your full trade off on the day? Like looking at previous, like say 5, 10, 15 minutes price action, do you have the ability for your entire trade to play out on your next play? And if you even haven't even taken a trade yet, has the price action given you enough movement to get your full trade off? And if the answer is no, like it's probably not a good trading day. Like today's, it just hasn't given, at least for me, like, and like I said, I'm a scalper. Like I'm not even looking for like a long-term 20, 30 minute trade. I'm not looking for like a swing trade. I'm just looking for 10, 15 points. And like for the NQ, there's very few trades that have gone smoothly. Like, yeah, you've gotten
Yeah.
the 10, 15, 20 points, but has it gone smoothly? Because if not, then after 10 or 15 points, and then it comes right back to your break even, then what's the point in taking the trade? Is my opinion. And that's like many trades have done today. Like I'm looking at it. If I had taken those, stopped out, break even, break even, break even, stopped out. You know, like it's
Mm.
just very volatile today.
Well, actually, this trade, if my T1 was this one, I would have gotten the high of day. But just for the scale out, and no guarantees that I will be out because it's just tapped it. Um. So yeah, this that today is hard for my trading system. Today is a bit hard, and the fact that we're holding at the most aggressive location of support tells me that the market is not weak. It's hard for it to drop.
Yeah, most definitely for sure.
Hmm?
And we're breaking out of a wedge pattern here on the Nas. Like 707. We just had that breakout to the upside. It looks like it's trying to make a little move up. Maybe get over today's opening range high. But yeah, I mean, I might come back around 1 o'clock and see if the bond is a little bit smoother price action. But right now, it's just a little wonky.
Ay, ay, ay. Like Nvidia is all-time highs. Okay, 623.
Yeah, man.
What do you say, Ale, was the best opportunity for us to short? And where how would you structure your trade? Now,
I
so
I made a mistake this
watching what
morning.
happened already, but
No,
watching what happened already.
I'm going to tell you what my mistake was, and this is what happens when you ignore things, when your mind, when your head wants to ignore the facts. So this morning I was doing my pre-market and I was like updating my zones, and I had yesterday COT, which in my NinjaTrader my COT was from 2350 to 2750. That was my yesterday COT.
Okay.
And I was like, I don't like it. I don't like it.
I
I'm just
don't
gonna
like
keep
what.
my. I was like, I don't like it. It's too high. I was like, it's too like. I'm gonna keep my supply as it is. My original supply was from 18 to like 24, something like that.
Okay.
From 18 to 24.50. And now that you look at it about it, like it, if I would have left if I would have actually done what I had to do, which was leave yesterday's COT as a supply, then I probably would have gotten a better location for the short. Maybe the short was not the best trade today, but I would have gotten. I think the best trade today that we could have gotten was honestly that short. Yeah, I think it was that short right there. Things is we fucked up in the location. We fucked up in the location, and I made a mistake, which could have saved us both too, which was not was ignoring the fact that the COT is so important. And I think that the trade that we should have taken today was that COT that 25 instead of taking it at 20, or I don't know where you took it, 1950, or
Yeah.
I don't know, it should have been at 20, 25, 25, 20, 24, 5. Honestly, that's what that's now that I like I
Honestly,
was reviewing the trade. I think
honestly,
that was
I think the trade of the day was the long at this pre-market support. It's very aggressive, but I think that's the only trade I could have taken. So if you see my chart here now, if we want to structure this, let's go to the 1 minute or the 2 minute. Yeah, I don't think it's hard. Let's say my stop would have been here, and my target had to be at least before the COT, right? And my
yeah,
ultimate
and
target,
take was not
here, right?
and
So
take was not going below 0.
yeah,
That's
how
why
much
when
it,
you wanted to take that
okay.
short, I told you, bro, like just look at the tick.
Yeah, no, that's
And
right. But I know. But my point is that I was not paying attention to the long, honestly. I was more paying attention to the short because I yesterday we had such a drop and I thought like this most aggressive area of support is gonna fail. Probably '04 is better, and then 96 is even better, right? But look at this. It held. Even if it breaks now, the trade was already done, right? Um yeah, look at this. Yeah. I would have gotten everything like 2 to 1. If I want to get 2 to 1, look at that. I needed to enter at 1250, not even at 11. 1250 would have been more than enough. Hmm? Even for my scale out, like I get in here, and in 4 minutes I already have my scale out. You see that? And then it comes back. Yeah, comes back again, returns again, and then I finally get my final target. But my point is that probably no. I certainly misread the market. And after I misread, or I came with a bias. I don't know why I came with a bias. Um, and then this drop tried to I don't know, designed to just confuse us and in trying to get the short, because even here the tick chart was hitting minus 600. That's it. It was not hitting minus 800, minus 900. You see that? And this is 1040. You would expect that this low of days it was going to be taken, right? But look at that. It's not. I think we're in a very bullish environment, and we need to limit our shorts actually. I think we'll be in a better position, um, generally, if we just try to get in long. Hmm. That is it for us, guys. We'll be back tomorrow. I think tomorrow we have another set of news. We have core PC, so inflation numbers comes out tomorrow. Um All right. See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice rest of the day and trade safe. Okay. Bye bye.
Take it easy, everybody.